Whew. Yeah, who would have thought? Literally, this is the story of a company that started in a garage.
Det-Tronics' vision is to create a solution that matters to people and the planet.
One of the main goals of the founders was to be a service to humanity. We see problems and we solve them.
We are a customer-centric company, and we provide solutions and products to our customers globally. We actually serve customers in close to 100 countries.
Det-Tronics manufactures flame and gas detection products, as well as the systems that control them.
In the hydrocarbon industry, generally a fire is preceded by a gas. Our gas detectors are designed to operate in some of the most extreme environments on Earth.
We're going to have to adapt to the new challenges in the industry. In the end, the goal is the same, is to keep people safe.
Our job is just to make sure that that guy can go home at the end of the day and kiss his kids goodnight.
When you start to protect lives, performance of the system and the products is key.
What's really exciting for the group here, and I think for engineers in general, is the level and sophistication of technology that we're developing and the breadth of what we're integrating into our future solutions. It's really an engineer's dream.
Every Det-Tronics product that we make is tested to its actual risk. So if we have a toxic gas detector, we're going to calibrate and test that detector with actual toxic gas. If we have a flame detector, that detector is going to be showing actual real fire at the extent of its observable range. So any claims that we make about the product are backed up by internal testing.
We have a high level of diagnostics in our devices to let customers know when a device is not able to perform its safety function. It is not uncommon to have a customer call in with a product that is 20, 30, and sometimes 40 years old that's still in operation.
If a fire should happen, it affects me deeply that our products are there and they need to work. That thing might sit there for 10 years and never see a fire once, but the one day, the one time it does, it has to function.
Our users are operating these detectors in challenging situations and applications and scenarios that are hazardous by nature.
I really think that Det-Tronics has been so successful because of the people. The quality and value that we bring to the industry is a reflection of the great team that we have here.
I think Det-Tronics is headed in a great direction for the future because we have a great team. We have new faces coming aboard with fresh eyes, fresh ideas.
I really do hope our customers know how deeply we care.
One of the things about Det-Tronics is I love working at the company. And I think a lot of people are like that. It's an emotional attachment because what we do is protect lives and assets. And you know what? At the end of the day, that's very satisfying knowing that you build something that helps people stay safe.
Without having good people behind the product, you wouldn't have much of a product.
As the world changes and decarbonizes, there's going to be lots of opportunity. And Det-Tronics is positioning itself for this next chapter in our existence.
Det-Tronics has already been involved in new energy for over a decade. New energy may well be clean, but it also presents significant hazards. Although the energy itself is clean, it's still a risk to people and to plants.
So safety is going to be paramount for new energy, just as it is for the current oil and gas energy production processes.
To reach 50 years is no small task. A lot of companies don't make it that long. So to do that and to be successful, I think is quite an accomplishment, but we have to tip our hat to the people who came before us, and hopefully we're laying the foundation for the next 50 years as well.
So in the next 50 years, we're going to be the leader in flame detection. We're going to have to adapt to the new challenges, the new problems in the industry, and we're going to be the company that solves those problems and responds to those challenges the best.
It's such a huge milestone for Det-Tronics. It's really exciting. 50 years is such an accomplishment. I really hope and I really think that we'll be able to build on these first 50 years of success and continue to be a market leader.
50 years anniversary is definitely a big deal to us. Imagine yourself celebrating your 50-year birthday, right? And as a company, as you can see in the US, about 90% of a company failed the first year. So if a company which can last more than 50 years, it means that we're doing something right.